Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I want to hug all of you guys to say sorry for being MIA for like about 3 weeks. And I am back at it again. I was injured just a bit. I hurt my eye and I looked ugly. I still put on makeup, but I just had no time, not time, I'm lying. I was procrastinating and I was like, no, I'll do it. And then a week went by and another week went by. So I'd just like to apologize, and I'd like to say hi to any of my new subscribers. I'm Nathanie. We have great times over here. We love memes, and please be sure to follow me on all my social media. I sometimes do polls, and this is how I came up with this look. I asked whether you want a autumn makeup look or if you would like my go-to makeup look. So this is definitely what the people wanted. So this is what I do. I give the people what they want. And please be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I do polls there for my YouTube, and I just have fun content, I guess. Not really, it's mostly selfies, and that's okay. It's okay. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I'm sure, I am not sure, I am telling you that there will be consistency every week. So every week I upload every week on a Friday at 12, depending on the times or whatever, but most of the time it's Friday at 12. And I am going to be doing vlogs coming up. It's the long weekend, so I'm gonna be following you guys. Will follow me around, so please be sure to subscribe to my channel just to check out what I'm gonna be up to. And I promise there will be consistency. And without all this rambling, I apologize, and I love you all. Thank you for chilling with me. Get yourself a young snack, and let's get on with this look. And so I did my brows. I'm about to just do my lids, which I will be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I don't know if it's why it's not. Prime your lids for the shades we're about to throw at it, you know what I'm saying? And so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to apply another shade, which is this shade, just to set it in place. So there's no creases, no creases. So then what are we going to do is we're going to create a crease, and I'm going to be using these two shades with a mixture of the shaders here as well here. Okay. And then now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a plummy color. As you know, it's going to be a autumn look, so I'm just going to add that on just below where I added my colors for the crease, just so that there's a bit of definition. feel like in autumn we don't really want to have too much shimmery and all that stuff. You can do it, it's not taboo, but I like to keep it matte, so that's what I'm doing over here, over her. And then I'm just doing that, so it's a very easy look. And you can also, I have the Morphe palette, you can also definitely use the Switch Beauty palette. It has the same shades, so, and it's a lot more cheaper. Oh, that looks nice. So I'm just gonna carry on building this, and then we're gonna add a wing. So let me keep on patting on the color and then blending it in. So that's what you wanna do. You wanna pat it on and then blend it in. And then I'm gonna go in with the shades that I used for my crease, for my transition, sorry. And then I'm just going to blend it in a bit more so it can be a bit softer. And you wanna be sure to have a flat brush. It's kind of flat, fluffy brush, so you wanna have more precision kind of brush than the normal fluffy brushes you get that you would use maybe on your shade. Okay, so now we're going to bronze up our face with the LA Girl Blush Collection Glam. And then we're going to make ourselves look snatched. Obviously, we're gonna fix this thing, don't worry, I promise you, we will not leave. Because even in autumn, when it's a bit cold, you want to look like you've been in the sun. There is sun in South Africa, but you know, you need to look extra. So this is the finished look. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to like this video and comment down below if you like this kind of video, or if you would like to suggest a video. Please be sure to love me on all social media, which will also be down below. And then I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.